Hello everyone, it's Robert here from aPotforPot, and today I will be showing you the cheapest and by far the easiest way to clean your glass pipe that you've been using for smoking. To do this, you will only need three things, and they're common household items. You will need salt, rubbing alcohol, and a ziploc bag. When you buy salt, however, there are usually two options: coarse, otherwise known as sea salt, and fine salt, otherwise known as table salt, which is way more common. Because of that, we will be using table salt in this video to show you just how easy this method truly is. As well as salt options, rubbing alcohol is sold in a variety of percentages, and the higher the percentage, the better it will be for cleaning your piece. However, in this video, we will be using 70% rubbing alcohol as it was the most accessible. Once you have your three items for your glass cleaning solution, put your dirty pipe into the Ziploc bag, add salt, then add rubbing alcohol and seal the bag. Make sure to get a decent amount of rubbing alcohol into the bag to truly clean the pipe, and then start shaking. After a minute or so, most of the resin from your pipe will be removed, and all you have to do is rinse it with hot water to get it back to a store-fresh look. You may, however, need to repeat the process with the rubbing alcohol and salt once or twice depending on how dirty your pipe is. And there you have it, how to clean your glass pipe the cheap and easy way. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this, and stay tuned for more content.